I have my data set here, which comprises of number of users of different social media websites. First we click on enter data and paste the data copied from there. Since it is a small table, we have directly copied and pasted data. Repeat it for second table also. Now I will click the ProgBar visual and drag male column to percentage value. I have changed the fill color to blue. Adding the visual again and dragging female column to it. Changing the image to woman and fill color to pink. I am going to repeat it for young, adult and elderly in a similar way. Now I will add a slicer of social media, which is like a filter, so that I can choose between Facebook, Twitter and get my result.